About 500 years ago.
What is this? Wanna go for a ride? We did it, Leo! We made it across! Hang on.
Across Tuscany.
When are you gonna tell her that you like her? Wait, you think I like Lisa?
I hope nothing happens to him.
Lisa.
Who is this Leonardo da Vinci?
I have something important that I have to show you.
How is your invention for going underwater coming along?
Tell us what happened.
Wait, this is a boy?
It was so incredible.
This will work into my plan perfectly.
That's my house.
Lisa is in trouble. We're gonna have to help her somehow.
I'm coming with you to Florence. I want to be of help.
Could you be serious for once?
The untold story.
Relax, young lady. This is the tale of the biggest treasure to ever set sail. And now it sits at the bottom of the sea. Go try to find it. Good luck and good day.
Of a young dreamer.
That treasure really exists.
Finally.
Who becomes
Destroy him!
Don't want to lose you.
the greatest genius.
What does he think he's doing?
I never make mistakes.
Hey, guys! Are you ready to fly?
Leo da Vinci, Mission Mona Lisa.
You're right, you don't make mistakes. Instead, you made a really big hole.
Coming soon.